In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search tickets in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. To begin with, you'll want to log into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it, and you will be prompted to enter your email and password. After entering your credentials, hit the Sign In button, and you'll be directed to your main dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, you should see a variety of options and tools available to you. The next step is to open the Search tool, which is located at the top of your screen. Look for the magnifying glass icon. This is what you'll click to initiate your search. It's a simple step, but crucial for finding the tickets you need. After clicking on the magnifying glass icon, you'll see several search options. Here you should select Tickets. This action will refine your search results to focus specifically on tickets, effectively filtering out other content like community posts or articles. By narrowing it down, you're making your search much more efficient and manageable. Now let's enter your search. You can type in a specific ticket number directly into the search bar. If you happen to not know the exact ticket number, don't worry. You can also search using related keywords or phrases that pertain to the ticket issue or customer concern. Once you've entered your search term, simply press Enter on your keyboard, and Zendesk will generate a list of matching results. As the search results appear, you'll want to take a moment to browse through them. Look for the ticket that you were trying to find. When you find the correct one, click on it to open its full details. This is where you can take the necessary actions needed, whether that's responding to a customer, updating the ticket status, or resolving an issue. And there you have it. You've successfully searched for tickets in Zendesk, and as you can see, it's a straightforward process that can be done in just a few simple steps. Mastering this function can greatly enhance your efficiency and help you manage customer support more effectively. If you ever get stuck or have any questions while using Zendesk, don't hesitate to explore their help center. They have a wealth of resources to help you navigate the platform even more smoothly. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use the search feature, the more familiar you will become with it, which will undoubtedly streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching today. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below or let us know any other topics you'd like to see covered. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful content.